All right. Wow. I am back. What is up, everybody? It's where these headphones sound different. It's like it's less bass in them or something. All right. Hey, happy Monday. Last day of the month. Very exciting. No. Wait, it's not the last day of the month. When's the last day of the month? Is there a 31st? June 31st? The 4th is on Friday. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Last day of the month. All right. Well, I'm back. It's been a long time. Let's let the people know. Boom, boom. Let the people know. And yeah, sorry for the lateness. It's just still a weird schedule. You know, it's summertime. And everything's a little bit later on during the summer. But without further ado, done a lot of random stuff, you know, on the game during the vacation. Hey, he's back from the grave. Heading to the end in Minecraft. I didn't know you could beat Minecraft. Is that like a thing? That's cool. Well, congratulations. All right. What's at the end of Minecraft? You just survive or something? There's like a campaign. I guess there's a campaign, right? That's where Steve comes from and all that people, all those people. You fight this big dragon and stuff, and then after that you can fight it again and do whatever you want. Oh, okay. So you go through the entire campaign and then you could basically just Minecraft after that. Interessante. See if we can get a stream avatar working. See if that's even possible. No. Come on. Just a sandbox game. You can do whatever you want. Yeah. Oh. So the whole game's about fighting the dragon? That's cool. Let's see. Are you on the homepage? Nope. Nope. Yeah, you're there. Oh, okay. Cool. They just give you like NPCs basically, right? Things to fight, kill, build. But you have to find the dragon, right? Is it something you stumble upon, or? You'd think I'd know a little bit more about Minecraft by now. There we go. Well, there's been a lot of updates to the game since I last last streamed. Can't see one of them because of my face. You have to throw these eyes and they point you towards the right way. Stronghold. Oh. Got it. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's cool. So first of all, I did a lot of work on the games, the levels, like the way they look. So if we do a new game, I'll give you a sneak preview. So, first off, you probably already saw that we finished, you know, flushing out Foresight. So this is all done. We got our extra NPCs. We have all our walls. I fixed a lot of fucking bugs with the walls. That was very annoying. You know, they all have their own signs. I can talk to him. Oh, hello, Dr. Milford. Hey, Cranston. No hard feelings, eh? Fuck you, Cranston. And then we have this bitch who decided she can walk through my old office. She must be looking for more room for hers. Hers is already done. I mean, I could do a little bit more in her office, to be honest, but I'm not too worried about it. And we got his shit good to go. We finished the common area, which I could add items to pick up here, but I don't really think it's a big deal. And we have the blockade in place. The main updates that I've made since streaming last, we'll go through the whole talking scene real quick. And we'll go head out to the office. I need to make sure he's not walking through walls. So this is obviously wrong. The starting position is wrong, but I basically finished making the office, the CEO office. So, this is the waiting room. This is where you're supposed to start. I don't know why it's not starting me there. And you have a hot tub room, which I already have all the walls that, you know, it's pretty accurate walking collision points. So you can really interact with the room and walk perspective wise in the right spots. Like I can, oh, look at that. I can look at the hot tub and shit. And then we have the game room. The CEO has the cool stuff. So again, I can walk up to the pool table. It's a little close, but can't walk over it. Can walk up to the arcade cabinet. I definitely should add some interactions with these. Couch. Can walk over here, so. And you can step on the side table if you want. Yeah. So this is good to go. And I created these chairs, which I still need to add collision points on all this over here. I have not done that. And you have the big wall window with a view to outside. Ooh, what is that, a car? I can't really tell. Anyways. So that's like the art I've worked on since the last time we streamed. Added a new feature to make it easier to build walls out, and that is zoom. So if I squish the screen, you can see down here a new, oh, here, let's go up. There you go, right here. So we have a plus and minus button, zoom. It also tells me that it's at 100% right now. And I can zoom into I can zoom out. See, now it's 80%, 70 or 60%. Let's go full screen. Oh, it looks like the plus button's not working. What happened? Error. That's weird. Why you no work? Oh, the skip button's in the way. Oh, that's fucking annoying. Good to know. Huh. Yeah, lots of progress on the assets. Alright. Now I can zoom back in. So yeah. And I had to create a custom zoom for this. Umack's been amazing. Awesome. Yeah, the custom zoom is necessary for this because browser zoom isn't. I can't trust browser zoom, and I can't assume people are going to use the browser zoom in order to work on the game. So now you can zoom out, and you could turn on dev mode. You can see all the walls I have here, and I could still walk around the game, you know, while it's zoomed out, and everything should be pretty much accurate. But now I can build really long walls because I'm zoomed out. So if I don't have to build any right now, but you know, I can just turn on the wall builder feature, and then I can drag all the way across the screen instead of before where I had to like walk with my drag, basically. Walk with your drag. So yeah, and now you can go back to 100% and everything's normal. So good. I gotta fix that skip button though. Why is that skip button still there? Looks like it's not here though. Oh, huh. I guess it was only there because of the starting video. That's interesting. Anyways. Yeah, let's see. I wonder why the starting position's so wrong. Let's fix that real quick. Let's go to... No. None of these. Let's just go to the admin. Still don't know my own website. And let's go to CEO office. Yeah, Macs are just solid, man. Just nothing you have to worry about. It's the best part. All right, let's pinpoint it to the center right here. So I'm basically like right here. 3791 on the top. Yeah, it's definitely not correct. And I am not quite sure why it's not correct. But let's try this out. So let's go from the beginning. I can use a level selector. And let's go ahead and try getting through again. And I think I fixed all the bugs with the level selector too. Like everything's passing through pretty easily. See, why is it starting me there? What is it showing? It keeps starting me in the same spot. Yeah, look at that. 1648, 2211. Oh, right. No. Where is it getting that from? I think it comes from the default. No. Let's start over and see where it's coming from. That was weird. Yeah, there's something wrong. It's not getting the starting position correctly. I think I might need to add that to the Orbem new area. I mean, don't I? I should be adding that already to the function. What is it? New area? No. Orbem area. Get Orbem area. So where's the starting position should come from the location. So the, yeah, start top, start left. So that's coming in. I wonder if area is wrong. Hold on. Nah, I mean, it can't be. It's getting everything else correctly. Interesting. Well, let's see. How's it using it? Because it's definitely not using it correctly. We need to go to... Where is it? You. Area. So what are we getting here in the response? Where's start? Top, start left. Look at that right there. 3-0, 2. Well, that's wrong. Uh-oh, this is for foresight. Where's the other one? You. Start. Yeah, so they're coming in correctly, but for some damn reason, it keeps starting me here. Why you do that? Why do you do that? To the console log. Oh well, I guess I need to go local then. Let's figure this out. I think I already pulled down what I need to. Level select. So even level select should bring me to the starting position every time. So something's wrong here. Enter new area. Where am I setting my position? I think it's during a set timeout. Move NPCs. Yeah, here we go. No. Yeah, see, I'm setting the start and top position on the default map, which, let me double check that's actually still happening. That might be the reason it's not working, because I did some work on the, yeah, see, it's not setting that for the start top, start left. So wait. New default map. Yeah, see, I'm already setting the default map in here. I need to do this sooner. Yeah. Let's bring this up. Maybe we could do that before this. That way it's all doing shit. Alright, let's try it now. Now this just sets it. In case you die, it'll take you back to the start. So this shouldn't technically fix the issue, but it should fix a different issue. Yeah, so it's just starting me in a random spot right here. Which is... Oh yeah, now I can look at the default map. Yeah, 33402046. So this is not where it should have started me. But it might be taking my last position or something. I don't, maybe. So cool. Oh, it's working now. But where is it setting my position? Right here. Next area position. Oh, got it. Next area position. New map items. The fuck is new map items? What did I do? There's new default map. What is new map? Oh, this is coming from the shit. Okay. Why am I changing? I guess if the next area position. Okay. Okay. Wait, is that the problem? It's giving me the next area position when I do this? 30822028. No, that's not right either. Well, here's where it sets my position. Scrolls me into view. Does a handful of things here. So, let's see if it works. Or what the hell it's doing. Let's just check what these are. Because I'm guessing I'm doing this because when I'm going to the next area... Wait, what is next area position? That's the function. I mean, that's a parameter in the function. Parse. Top and left. Ew. Wait, where am I doing this? Dev mode, right? Yeah, see, I'm not even providing it in some of these. But there's no default. Oh, I guess I'm checking, though, if it exists or not. Right? Yeah, I'm checking if it exists. Okay. So if I don't pass it, it doesn't matter. Well, let's figure out what this is. And why it's wrong. Why you wrong? Did you miss this one? Yeah, it's been a while since I played that. Start top, start left. Start hard. Alright, let's figure out what this is. What? Give a damn like, what? Wait, what the fuck? Why am I still console logging something? Alright, here we go. Oh, excuse me. Loud yawn. So we're gonna go here and go. Okay. Well, it's obviously ignoring that. Good to know. Let's figure out why. So, yes. I do blink. I think that's kind of weird that my character blinks. I had noticed that was happening. So maybe I'm getting reset somewhere else for some reason. I don't know what that is, because this is pretty much it. This only happens, yeah, this happens pretty much right away. Am I being reset back here? Load mission, blockade, materialize logic, move NPCs. No point. No. Doesn't seem like it. Character menu. We've got dev mode, blah, blah. Character. Doesn't seem like I'm changing anything. Alright. Well. The fuck? Character. Map character. Map character. Character. Yeah, map character ID. Map character ID. Alright. Well. I guess I would be interested to see what my current style is, maybe. Maybe it's a scroll into view? No, I don't think so. That is weird. Style top. Start top is correct. Pixel. But it's basically not moving. I wonder if it's something to do with... I don't know. See if I can change this person in another way. Because if I can make his opacity 0, then we should be good to go. I mean, should be able to change other things like the top and left. There was a problem. Go. Yeah, so it doesn't seem like I'm changing the character. So there's definitely something up with this character item variable. It also seems like the only place I'm actually changing that is down there. So I'm going to set it closer. Closer to this area. Yeah. Just in case there's an issue with that. Yeah, I think this is the only area, so let's do this. So now I should be grabbing it right here fresh. Let's actually fix that too. That has been bugging me. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see. And go. There we go. So that worked. So let's see if now when I go to the new map, if it takes me to the right spot. So I don't really know why it was doing that, but that was happening with me before too, with other variables that just weren't hitting. Yeah, there we go. I'll go a little bit higher just because it seems like I hit a wall. Yeah, let's do like 50. Okay, cool. Good. So yes, this is where I start. So that's cool. Why is this still here? The keys. Now Salverson's definitely not right here. Probably just his images. Alright, well, let's continue building the level then. I'm going to push this up. Should be good to go. Go. Alright, let's go back to production. I spelled it wrong. Alright. So, let's go to level 2. And I'm gonna need to... Uh-oh. I started on the wrong side of the map. Yeah, maybe I should actually move that wall down. Wherever you are. Hey! That's my best idea. Thanks, Evan. I believe you are not wrong. So, I'm with you, my friend. Alright, what the hell happened? Why is this not working? Why is dragging not working? Let me drag. Okay. So, I fixed this problem already. What was the problem? The problem was... The problem was... Shit. I fixed this already. And... The problem was... Oh no, I don't remember what the problem was. Hold on, let me reset the game. What was the problem? I totally fixed this already, I promise you. I fixed this. The problem was that there was an issue with I don't actually remember. What was the issue? The issue was, see, it's working now. Oh shit. That is an issue, actually. I don't know why that causes such problems, though. Alright, I need to change... Wait, what? Wait, was I changing production that whole time? I need to start here. What was it, like 3903? No. Here we go. 3903. 2394. Try something like that. Let's restart. Okay, now it's... Did the code not get pushed yet? I feel like the code has not gotten pushed yet. My fix! Motherfucker. Alright, hold on. Let's God mode this bitch for a second. Okay. Better. Yeah, whatever. So these are still wrong, actually. Everything's shifted. Everything's wrong right now. And it's wrong because... everything's shifted. Okay, what was the problem? I'm trying to remember. I fixed this. It was actually a big pain in the ass to fix, too. And... the issue was... everything was shifted basically because No, see, I was having issues getting walls to show up, period. And then I fixed that. What did I do? JSON payload. We fixed. Yeah, like the way things were being loaded. That's fine. Game character. That's fine. I know we changed that. What did we do in dev mode? Yeah, we're having problems with the wall builder. And I fixed that. Fixed that. Yeah, all the wall shit. I don't know. Motherfucker. I didn't think this was still a problem. This whole shifting bullshit. Let's see. See, it's still shifted up. This is not okay, actually. What is going on? Why is this still fucked up? Why is this still shifted? It's like the map is shifted because... Oh my god, I can't go in this circle again. I literally went through this shit. On the plane. Like... Why are all the walls shifted up? They are shifted up because... Something to do with... Not the map. I know if I go directly to it with the level selector, I think they'll be fine. Why is it still starting me there? Oh yeah. Wait, why is the code not fucking pushed? What is going on? Did I miss something? Did I not push the code? I thought I did. And then played a beautiful piano interlude. No, yeah, I pushed it. And this was working on local. Come on. Push code. Let's start fresh. A brand new game. And let's just pass on through. Why does it keep starting me there? This is not where you're supposed to start. Oh wait, this is where it's supposed to start. What? Did I get it wrong? Uh-oh. Maybe I fucked up. I think it's, yeah, starting me in such a fucked up spot. Maybe that's why. Let's try changing this first. Might be why everything's shifting. Because I'm starting so low, it's moving the map. Okay, well now it's definitely not working. Wait, what the fuck? It keeps starting me here, even though I'm changing. It's like it's changing the goalpost. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, what the fuck? I was setting it for the wrong thing. That's why. Oh my god, hold on. I'm being dumb. Okay. So this is where the map is going to start. Okay. So that's 3682. See, I was acting as if I was like an NPC, which I'm not. I have 1,000 radius. 3682 and 2063. Okay. Now this should be much more accurate. Let's go back. Level select. You. There we go. Cool. Now, is it shifted or not? I have not finished putting walls on those. Good. It's not shifted anymore. So now let's restart in the other level. And we'll go up. We'll try it out. Thanks, dude. There we go. I don't like that flash, but... Cool. Now we're good. Looks good. Everything looks good. Bueno. Okay, well, we gotta add walls to the chairs. So let's throw some dev mode on. Put some good old-fashioned wall builder functionality. And basically need to do this. So that you can walk in between the chair, but you can't walk onto it. Same thing here. I want to be able to walk here, but not past here. There we go. Dunzo. Apparently I can't walk over here. It's fine. Okay. Those walls are good. All those walls are good. Oh yeah. We're gonna do the chair. I did the one chair already. It's pretty good actually. Basically just have to do that little tidbit on all of these. This wall building feature is fucking game changer. Just the amount of like control I have to like get a lot more like logical looking walls to make like perspective make sense is awesome. Though I do kind of want to be able to walk in between these chairs. So I might have to scooch these over. Maybe like... like that. Oh, shit. That's weird. It's supposed to let me drag after I drop it. Huh. Let's check that out. Okay, now I'm just... why is it starting like that? Why is it starting shifted when I refresh? And the thing is, this doesn't happen on the other level. Yeah, this was the bug I was really trying to figure out. Do I have knowledge of Java? No. JavaScript. Vanilla JavaScript is my expertise, along with the other JavaScript frameworks, but not Java, no. No Minecraft deving for me. Sorry. Yeah, plenty of PHP, SAS, CSS, JavaScript, CoffeeScript. So why are we shifted? This is only happening when we load. It's not happening when we load via the API. That means that there is something wrong. Let's try doing a new game and then refreshing on the first level and see if anything's shifted, if the walls are shifted there. So if I turn dev mode on, the walls look fine. If I refresh, can you tell me how I master any language in 6 months? Any language? I've gotten pretty good at French. But I'm guessing you mean coding language. Yes, I can actually. 6 months working on a project for a company, or they are paying you to work in that language, you'll learn pretty quickly. So I highly suggest jumping on Fiverr, Upwork, Craigslist, and finding work. And the more work you find in that 6 month period, the more language you'll learn. And you'll also learn what people are willing to pay you to learn, which is a big deal. Never learn anything for free, and never pay to learn anything. Always get paid to learn. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. I get having fun, and just learning something for fun, but it's a waste of your time. Yeah, see, this is the problem. I refresh, and it works fine here. But if I go to the other level, I refresh, and it changes. Why? What? What's different in that level that's not in this level? I mean, this has a lot more shit in it, but like that means it should be worse. Yeah, no, I'm telling you, I've never learned anything that I didn't either think was going to make me money or I was paid to learn. And I've been doing this for 20 years, website programming, and I've had to learn a bunch of stupid shit that I'll never use again. But I was paid to learn it, so it wasn't a waste of time. But yeah, WordPress programming wise, everything I've done, it was for a job, freelance or otherwise. So I mean, if you're getting into freelance and you just want to learn something right now, go online, find the jobs. They're out there. I mean, you might get paid only a little bit, but I mean, you're brand new anyways. You don't know what you're doing, so you don't expect to get paid a lot anyways. But it's the work that's out there is what you want to learn. Learn what people are asking for. Don't learn what people are talking about. Don't just learn Next.js and C# or whatever just because, you know, LinkedIn tells you that's what everybody wants to use or whatever. And then once you build a nice little a resume of jobs you've worked, not a portfolio, a resume. Then you can get a full-time job doing it, you know, or at least a full-time contracting job. And that is worth its weight in gold. So everything's fine, everything's perfect. And then what do? I refresh and it shifts up. Why? Why? Why is it shifted up? And why only for this level? Yeah, no problem, B43. Let me know if you have any more questions, industry-wise or language-wise or whatever. Yeah, I used to work for Disney for a while. I worked for Universal, Warner Bros. Built Harry Potter website, built DisneySyncLink.com for Disney. And yeah, you'd be surprised at how much work you can find. Just keeping your eyes open. Oh no, hot topic. Is it getting the other level's position or something? No, these are the wall. Oh, you mean like the map? No, they're all the same size. So the level map images are all the same size. Good suggestion though. Yeah. And it's such a slight bump up. Like, I thought maybe it's like just the HTML shifting up or something. But these are, you know, like these are set. So like 2716 is not there. Because when I use my pinpoint tool here that I built and put in the corner, see, that is 2700. It's wrong. So this is wrong. Where it is on the map is not correct. Oh wait, is there like a transform on this or something? No, there's not. Wait, is there a transform on like the whole fucking default map? No. Go play Minecraft. Please. Thanks for jumping on, Indy. Always a pleasure, my friend. See, that doesn't make any sense. It's wrong. It's on the map wrong. Like, how is this on the map wrong? This top position is wrong. Because 2700 is where it is right now. And if I put it at 2700, it's way higher than 2700. It's shifted. And it's only shifted server side load. Like if I go back and I do the level selector for the same level, look, nothing's shifted. It's correct. From the API call, the HTML is loading correctly. See, the same one that was shifted up is now still 2716 on the top position. See, it's in the same spot, technically. So that either means that the background image is shifted. Is that what it is? Is it the background? Is it the map? Because it's top left, cover, no repeat. We have the height and the width. Those are correct. 5,000, 4, 14, 14, 17. But when I refresh, and I continue, I put dev mode on, everything is shifted up. Is it shifted up? Or is the background image fucked? It's still the same size, but it's slightly lower. Why? How can I tell if it's slightly... I don't even know how I would know it's slightly lower. Display block. That's the problem with this shit. When you show and hide it, you go crazy. Hold on, let me turn on God mode so I can walk around. I'm in the streets. Where are the wall? Wait, what? I lost everything. Where am I? Hold on, let's zoom out. I'm very confused. Where am I? Oh. I was way off. Yeah, but it looks like everything's fine. Oh, wait. Wait, what just happened? Wait, did I just refresh? Or was this the level select? No, I think I was just looking at the level select. Hold on, let me try that again. So everything is wrong. Yeah, so everything is wrong. Let me do that whole display block thing again. So go blap, blap. Okay. And now everything is correct? Maybe? It's like it resetted. It's like it reset the position of the map image when I did that. Yeah, look, it's correct now. Okay, so it's definitely something to do with the actual, it's something to do with the background image. Okay. Well, that's good. It is weird. Oh, okay, hold on. Well, because the actual game container I'm hiding and showing again. I wonder if there's a reason why I'm doing display block like that. I guess that's just the game container, that's why. It's the whole thing. Shit. That is weird. It's almost like it's just the background position. It's just kind of screwed up when I unload. It's just why only this level? It doesn't do that with the other level. Why this level? Let's try again. Refresh. Continue. See, now it's shifted. If we go here. I wonder if something on the top left cover. Maybe it's the cover part? Maybe. No, see now everything's all screwed up. It liked the cover better. But watch, now it's working fine. No, okay, well that didn't fix it. So it seems like the display block did, like, when I turn it off and on, it reset it. I don't know why. I mean, I don't even have to do that. Just the fact that I turned it off and on, it works for some fucking reason. I also don't know why it's resetting my position on the map. Because my position shouldn't change. Yes. Oh, it's because I'm in it. Interesting. It reset my position because, yeah, I'm inside of the game container. Okay. Very interesting. I'm walking. Yeah, now everything's good again. That's fucking weird, dude. So it's something to do with the container. Maybe display block should be activated after something loads. Are you making a game on WordPress? Hey, Tushar. Yes. This is a game in WordPress, but I'm building a WordPress game engine in order to build the game because otherwise I can't build the game. So yeah, this is my game engine to build RPG, pixel art, video games. And yeah, maybe because it does seem like I'm setting the display block after I load when I click continue. So I wonder if it's just like you're saying, PA Learner, like the order in which I'm adding the display block. Maybe I need to add it earlier or later. I wonder if let me check the set timeout for that continue button and see if that's screwing with anything. It is still weird that it's only happening on this level though. But yeah, if you're interested, this is Escape to Orbem. This is based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. Book 1 and Book 2 are out right now on Amazon. You can do paperback, Audible, audiobook, really great narrator, and then ebook. You thought WordPress was just for basic sites? It's definitely for basic sites, that's for sure. But it also is for insane programmers. Yeah. No, you can do anything on WordPress. I mean, it's just an asset manager, right? So, I mean, this is just configuration. You can add images, add options, add dialogue, you know. And you can build game engines. And this is a plugin that I'm going to be offering to people. So, I mean, right now it's building my game, but it's got a lot of dev tools built into it. So anybody can build a pixel art, or not even pixel art only, but an RPG video game style like this. Okay, let's check out what the continue button is doing. I think it's just engage. Explore game, yeah. So when I click that, it does this. So this starts everything. So this is where I'm adding the display block on the container, which is this. So I wonders if yeah, that's kind of weird. So I wonder if I add a set timeout and wait a little bit. Let's just see if that does anything. If it makes any effect whatsoever. And this is what programming looks like without AI. Straight off the dome. Okay. Let me go back to my local, because this is probably happening there too. Wait, what? How am I not logged in? What? There we go. Boop. So now there's a delay. Oh, interesting. Looks like the delay kind of mimicked what I was doing before, where it starts me like way off. Interesting. Which technically that means it's working now. I do not like that, obviously, because I need to be in the right position. But I could also add the positioning to a delay. But let's see if it worked. It did. Alright, PA Learner. You're not wrong. Definitely tweaking with that. The timing of this display fixed it. Or at least mimicked the whole turning it off and on. So that means that something else is happening afterwards that's fucking shit up. That leads me to believe maybe if I don't necessarily do the set timeout later, but if I do this, I mean not later, but if I just don't do a set timeout, if I just set this lower, like maybe even last. I mean technically it could be last, I guess. It's not like it will do anything wrong. Yeah, we got all this, move NPCs. Yeah, we have all this like movement function, loading mission blockades. If it's an area, do the area shit. Kind of want that to happen after everything's showing. Yeah, we do have the map scrolling too. Wonder if that has anything to do with it. Alright, well whatever. Let's put it at the end and see what happens. Okay. And go. Okay. Let's try fresh. We'll go boop. So we're fresh here. All right. We already know it's good when we do it fresh. And now let's refresh and see what it does. What are those console errors? Normal shit. Go. I think that's it. I think that is it. Another great chat suggestion. Sorry. Okay. Let's go ahead and push this up and see if it fixes the production site. Yeah, I think it's fixed. I think that did it. I think just moving the display block style change lower in the engage level, I think that gave all the shifts happening a chance to not affect the map positioning, I guess. It's mostly about the container, it seems like. What the fuck? Can you load? There we go. Christ. Christ on a stick. What? I just use you guys like AI. Oh no, I use AI. But the majority, I mean, if it's just vanilla JS or styling, as long as I know what I want to do, I can do it. But yeah, it's plenty of times where I'm just like, AI, like what did I just do? Oh, for the zooming feature I had. There's a lot of math involved with zooming the, you know, using this zoom I created. I needed a brain that didn't care if I asked it to do math. And so, ChatGPT. But I like to use ChatGPT for any sort of coding questions because it's not like super smart. I mean, it'll lead me in the right direction nine times out of 10, and I'll be able to figure it out. But I don't want it to know more than me, and if it knows something I don't know, it's fine, obviously. But like, I know the code's not going to be perfect. So it gives me a chance to learn if I don't know it already. Alright, what is going on? Is my computer exploding? No. It looks fine. Oh shit. Wait. No. No frames are dropped. But... huh. That's where Twitch just went down too. This is a little weird. Looks like my local stopped too. Oh shit, I have Wi-Fi on. Wait. I should not have Wi-Fi on. That's my bad. I'm hard-lined in, that's why, so it's I've been kind of screwing myself this whole time on Wi-Fi. Fun. And it looks like it's switched to a different connection. Thank you. Hey, appreciate you jumping in, man. I hope you are subscribed so I can see you in another stream sometime. Good luck with your shift. Have a great one. All right. Still taking forever. Come on, I want to test this. And those of you who are interested, Orbem Mortar is a whole lot of things. Yes, it's a game engine now, the Orbem game engine. And we also, and by we, it's the royal we, it's just me. I also obviously make books. Writing book 3 right now. Also do music. And while we wait for this to load, we can check out the orbemortar.com. So orbemortar.com, trademark Orbem Mortar, that's the company name. Got a lot of stuff. If you're interested in, web development, writing, music, 3D printing. Also do 3D printing live on stream a lot. You can join the Discord, which you can find on orbemortar.com, the homepage right here. And we got a lot of great channels. Awesome community. Super awesome people. I also sell products. Start flexing. Today's stream is actually sponsored by Flex Keys. If you're interested in agile and dexterous fingers, get some Flex Keys. They're actually a lot of fun too. And they come in a million colors. Color combinations. You like green? Do you like green and gray? That was a weird choice. Green and red. Do you like Christmas? Yeah, you can get these. The shop's full of awesome stuff. I mean, if you just want to support the channel, we have blankets, beach towels, you know, fucking whiskey glasses, which is very useful. And then stuff we produce in-house here, and tons of great merch. And a lot of it's inspired by the art from the book, or the books. And you can even buy the books too. Yeah, everything helps. Awesome products. I've bought a lot of these things. Some are a little pricey for my blood, but maybe not for somebody else. I am gonna get this goddamn hoodie one day, okay? It's just, it's like $100 and only comes in large, so it's really hard for me to pull the trigger, but man, I want it. Yeah, so if you're interested in any of those fine things, hit up orbemortar.com. You can also play the game. Just go to orbem.games and you can actually play the game I am making right now. You're playing it with me live, you know? Jump in. You don't even have to create an account. I made it so you don't have to log in anymore, so that's cool. Okay. Let's test this out in production and see if this worked. And this is the production site, orbemortar.com/escape to Orbem, or orbem.games will take you there. And this is how you play. Okay. I just continued. And look, it worked. It fucking worked. That is glorious. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, cool. I am calling it a night. Thank you, everybody who's jumped on. Hey, PA Learner, appreciate your help there. Tushar, thanks for the questions. Very fun. Evan, appreciate your early on encouragement. Name, I like the Hot Topic comment. Very cool. Used to buy a lot of stuff when Hot Topic was still cool, obviously. And yeah, Indy, always a pleasure, my friend. Sufyan, thanks for jumping on as well. I appreciate your questions. And yeah, anybody else in the future? Oh no, Lava. What's up, man? Lava Wallet. How's it going, my friend? You caught me just jumping off. Yeah, Hot Topic's cool. I mean, my kids like Hot Topic now because it's full of fucking toys and, you know, Hello Kitty stuff. And my daughter's really into, you know, wearing random stuff like that. But it's fine. Yeah. You just got home from the bar? Fuck yeah, man. That's what I like to hear. You too, my friend. I gotta get some sleep. Work's been rough, man. Busy, busy, busy. But anybody jumping on throughout the night, I appreciate you, even if you didn't say anything. Anybody watching in the future, hey, come by in person. I love to talk about shit. And the industry, programming, music. And you can watch me make progress on this game engine and game. And it's coming along. Making some pretty good progress. And with that, I'll bid you good night. Goodbye.